Hello viewers, you are watching this video from Ascent Education Coaching Institute. Today we are discussing about an interesting and very popular topic that is very important for our future. It is the hydrogen economy. And before discussing this topic, I would ask one question, that what is the main source of energy or what are the main source of energy that are driving our economy? Obviously the answer is the fossil fuels such as coal, oil, gas. And then if we think that as more people on our planet aspire to improve their standard of living, their energy requirement will increase. So the per capita consumption of energy used will be the measurement of the development of the standard of living. Of course, if we assume that energy is used for the productive purpose, not for any wasted purposes, whatever. So one thing that is a very difficult point or facing a problem point, that is carbon dioxide production. We already aware that the carbon dioxide produced by the combustion of fossil fuels is resulting in the greenhouse effect, and greenhouse effect causes to a rise in temperature of the earth's surface, and it causes the polar ice to melt and ocean level to rise. So before discussing more about the hydrogen economy, now we discuss a little about the hydrogen gas and the properties of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is H2, means diatomic molecule. Hydrogen is the lightest atom with only one electron, and if it loses its electron, it produces an elementary particle. We called it as proton, and it is a very unique element. In spite of its resemblance with alkali metals and halogens, it occupies a separate position in the periodic table because of its unique properties. And hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. In the free state, it is almost not found in our Earth's atmosphere, but in combined state, it is the third most abundant element on the Earth's surface. And dihydrogen on the industrial scale is prepared by water gas sieve reaction from petrochemicals, and as a byproduct of the electrolysis of brine, hydrogen gas also be obtained. Now we are continuing with our topic, hydrogen economy. So what is hydrogen economy? The hydrogen economy is the use of hydrogen as a fuel, particularly for the electricity production and hydrogen vehicle, and using hydrogen for long-term energy storage and for long distance transport of low carbon energy. Hydrogen economy is proposed as being a part of the future of low carbon economy. So in order for human society to move away from the hydrocarbon economy, hydrogen is considered because its combustion only releases clean water, no CO2 to the atmosphere. So hydrogen gas itself can therefore be considered a clean fuel. Hydrogen gas, however, does not occur naturally in convenient reservoirs. We must be produced it from other sources like steam methane reforming. So hydrogen economy is an alternative. Now we talk about what is the basic principle of hydrogen economy. The basic principle of hydrogen economy is the transportation and storage of energy in the form of liquid or gaseous dihydrogen. Then advantage of hydrogen economy. What is the advantage of hydrogen economy? It is that the energy is transmitted in the form of dihydrogen, not as a source of electric power. Now I would like to talk about a data that in October 2005 for running automobiles, a project is launched where initially 5% hydrogen has been mixed in CNG for use in four-wheeler vehicles, and this percentage of dihydrogen will be gradually increased to reach the optimum level. Nowadays it is also used in fuel cell for generation of electric power, and it is expected that economically viable and safe source of dihydrogen will be identified in the years to come, and for its use as the common source of energy. Look at this picture. This is the representation of fuel cell. Fuel cell are the types of galvanic cells that are designed to convert the energy of combustion of fuel, generally hydrogen, methane, methanol, directly into electrical energy, and these are called fuel cell. This is the representation of fuel cell using hydrogen and oxygen. It produces electricity. It has some great advantages over the other, like fuel cells have higher efficiency than diesel or gas engine, and most fuel cell operate silently compared to the internal combustion engines. Therefore they are ideally suitable for use within buildings such as hospital. Fuel cell can eliminate the pollution caused by burning the fossil fuels. For hydrogen fueled fuel cell or hydrogen and oxygen fuel cell, the only byproduct produced is water. Here it is the representation of hydrogen as a fuel. Water in rivers and lake first electrolyzed to convert it into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen as the byproduct, and hydrogen is obtained as a fuel. It is used in transportation. In transportation it produces water and provide us energy, and water again recycle. Water in atmosphere, water comes to the atmosphere, and then within days and week it redistribute again. So this is the representation of hydrogen fuel cell. That's it. That is the discussion. That is our discussion today. I think you would all like this discussion.